Witness the slow and delicate transformation of winter's grasp as we zoom in on melting icicles. Welcome to an intimate look at nature's shift from ice to water, captured in the heart of winter's retreat. Here, an extreme close-up reveals the intricate texture of a frozen rock face, a canvas for winter's artistry. Observe the sharp, delicate details of icicles clinging to the rock, each one a tiny sculpture of ice. Our focus narrows on these icicles, hanging precariously, each with unique characteristics and forms. The initial melting begins, subtle and slow, as the temperature starts to rise ever so slightly. Tiny water droplets begin to bead on the surface of the icicles, evidence of the changing state. The water droplets grow heavier, eventually dripping, a sign of the ice surrendering to warmer conditions. Watch as each drop makes its journey from the icicle tip down onto the waiting rock, a miniature waterfall in winter. The melting is not abrupt but a gradual, patient process, showcasing the steady transition of winter's hold. Over time, these icicles start to diminish, their once solid forms slowly transforming into flowing water. As the ice melts, the water seeks its path, flowing along the contours of the rock surface. See how the water trickles down, following the tiniest grooves and channels, guided by gravity's pull. Notice the cool blue tones that dominate the scene, a reflection of the winter environment and light conditions. The blue tint enhances the icy feel, reminding us of the cold and the beauty of a winter landscape. This close-up is a reminder of the fleeting beauty of winter's creations, a moment of transition caught in time. The remaining ice continues to melt, its water flowing alongside, a testament to the ongoing change in nature.